Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out, man. I have gotten like super into drones. Had a company reach out to me about a year ago, and that started an incredible journey into the world of being able to fly and film and do all kinds of cool stuff. Well, Holystone reached out to me and said they would love for me to check out theirs, which is 4K. They were really proud of the fact that it took much higher definition, much clearer pictures than some of the other drones I've reviewed, or at least they say so. This is the HS360E, portable and powerful. It says it is lightweight, 249 grams. It has a 4K EIS camera, GPS return, and intelligent flight controls. And we're going to check that out. That's about it for the outside. Let's go ahead and open it up and check this thing out. I love this stuff, man. It's always so cool to see what we can find, you know. The opportunities that YouTube has provided me over the years, the things that I could never have afforded to own, and yet I get to play with on a fairly regular basis. It's pretty darn cool. So it comes with a little lunch box. Apparently we can eat our lunch here. No, it's just a nice little carrying case. It's not like super hard. I don't know if you can see that. You can squish it some, but not, it's definitely got some rigidity to it. We're going to open this thing up. Flip that up, and what do we have here? Okay. All right, so there is our main unit, and it looks like it comes with two batteries. Yes, two batteries. Oh, no, just one battery. Okay. Yep, just one battery. And then this would be a charging cable, it looks like. Yep. USB-C charging cable, and then the main controller there. Let's see what else we got on this other side here. We got manual, and a whole bunch of little things here. It also comes with a carrying strap if you want to like have a shoulder strap. I'm not going to take that out, but it's in there. I guess I'll tell you that. And this appears to be our charger. So you take it out and it sits on that to charge. So that's kind of cool. Then we have our adapters for various phones, iPhones and Android phones and all the other phones. So many phones. And lastly here we have a screwdriver and some spare blade packs in case you run into something. I've done that before. Matter of fact, we had a company that wanted me to crash it. It was the most painful thing I've ever done. Is purposely trying to break a drone. It's just kind of counterintuitive, you know. All right, so it's got a quick start guide, a disclaimer guide, and a main guide here. User's manual, and pretty small print, but not totally unreadable. Wow, a lot of stuff here, and not all of it's in English. So in English it goes to 62 pages of information. I guess that's why there's a quick start kit for those who don't want to read all of that, although I will. And of course there's an app you have to download, and just some quick like, hey, how to take off. That I'll definitely be reading as well. So the main unit here that our remote has, the little remote control, if I can pull those out of there, joysticks. All right. All right, we got our joysticks here, and we have like a rubber padding here. So we're going to put our cell phone, and it snaps in and like gets held into place there. And it's probably impossible for you to see, but on the back side there, we have our place to plug our connection, so our cell phone becomes part of this setup or visual. Somebody was asking me on another video, could you use a iPad, a CPAD, you know what do you call it? Like I call it a CPAD. I don't know why I do that, but because I never have a real one. But let's say like a Nook, or I don't know what you call them, but like a tablet. That's a tablet. If I could put a tablet on there so you'd have a bigger screen to see, I can confirm the answer is yes. So on the bottom you have the charging port for this unit. It is pretty heavy duty feeling. It's stout. It's not flimsy or childlike, I would say. Power button, controls here for up and down, left and right. We have our regular controls there. And then we have some stuff here. Digital screen here also probably giving us warnings as far as height and whatnot. And then the main unit. So fold out arms, as you would expect from something like this. Now this does feel light. Of course, it doesn't have the battery in it, but fairly lightweight. And it's got a warning here. Let's see here. It just says, please remove this cover before the drone is turned on. So we'll go ahead. This is just like a safety that you put on there while in transit. And then it does have a little plastic doodad that also has to come off. But that's the gimbal for it, and very lightweight as it needs to be. Now it does also take a micro SD card. So I found this out the hard way with filming when we went on a vacation with the first drone that we got. These will record to your phone, and it's pretty cool footage, but it's not a very high bit rate. It's not a high, so this thing's 4K, but it's not going to be 4K probably through the phone, and I might be wrong when I read that. But on the SD card that you put in here, you're getting the full resolution, the full frame rate, the full everything. So I think that's the ideal way. So I'll have to go down, well, I'll have to charge the battery, obviously, and then I'll have to go down and grab an SD card. That's with the magic of the video editing software that I currently possess. We're going to do that. I'm going to charge this up, I'll get it all set up, and then we're going to take it for a flight. I'll show you some of me flying it, and I'll show a lot of aerial footage. I do tend to just stick around here when I do these videos just because I know the area well enough that I'm not going to lose the drone, hopefully. So let's do it.